Hello, boys and girls. My name is Maialen, and I live in a farm called Aurora, surrounded by animals. Let's go! Come with me. I'm going to show you some of them. Donkeys have long ears, short manes, and small feet. They can defend themselves by kicking with the legs. Donkeys has been used as a working animals. They are chickens. They lay the eggs for children to eat. They goes cluck, cluck. Here is the duck that goes quack, quack. Ducks water and swim in ponds. This is the sheep. It has a woolly coat and goes baa, baa. Sheep give us the wool we need. The dog's name is Chicky, and he is really friendly. He follows you wherever you go. The farmer uses Chicky to herd the farm animals. This is a cow that goes and makes the milk for children to drink. On the farm there is a horse that goes and gallops around. Horses are fun to ride. There is the cat that goes meow, meow. They are valued by humans for companionship. Here are the goats. The goats makes milk and cheese. Rabbits are small and they live in groups. The rabbit's long ears are an adaptation for detecting predators. Their fur is most commonly long and soft, with colors such as brown or grey. I hope that you will enjoy the time that we spend in my farm. Bye bye!